your country has a tax treaty with the US. Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're good. Welcome to this channel. My name is Pam. I do lots of DIYs and random videos. So today, I know that YouTube wants to tax us people who are outside the US. So that is what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to fill my tax information with you guys. I'm just looking at my computer. Yeah, I've literally just woken up. Don't judge me. Yeah, and I also have a bad cold. Kuna kahoma that is around. It is in the air upper Kenya. Is it COVID? No. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do right now. And from the information that I have gathered, the tax thing, they will tax you according to three things. First, it will be if you have submitted the tax information or not. If you have not submitted your tax information, there is like a standard rate they are going to charge you or tax you. Number two, it will depend on how much you earn from the US viewers. So if you have a lot of US viewers and you earn your money from there, or you have some money that you earn from the US viewers, that will also determine how much they will tax from you. And then number three, it will also depend if your country has a tax treaty with the US. Okay, I'm in Kenya and Kenya doesn't have a tax treaty with the US, so tunaripa full tax. We cannot claim anything, so let's do it. Submit your tax information for upcoming tax changes, and you'll be required to deduct taxes from payments to creators outside the US later this year. To determine the correct tax rate, please enter your tax information in Adsense. Creators without a valid tax from 31st May may be subject to a higher tax rate of 24% of the total earnings worldwide. So after clicking the Help Center link, it will just direct you on how to do it. So you just sign in, go to payments, manage settings, your payment profile, you go to the US tax information, and then you're going to do that. You're going to fill out everything, so you will get instructions on how to do it. Below there are also lots of frequently asked questions, so you can just go through them. Yeah, going back to my email, and I'm just going to click on this link. So if you sign in, this is how my Adsense page looks like. Even up here you can see, check if additional tax information is required. So you can just do it directly from here, or you can use the other process of going to the payment part. So I'm just going to add my tax information. Okay, so I have signed in. So they're saying to find the right tax form, please answer a few questions. So what type of account? Mine is an individual. And then I go to next. Are you a citizen or resident of the US? No. Based on your previous selected answers. So the form that is most appropriate to me is the first one. The form is mostly common, is used by non-US individuals and will be used to claim tax treaty benefits. Okay. And then I'll go to start the form. So this is the form. Ensure that the information is exactly same on your tax documents, and that the form is signed by an authorized representative of this legal entity. So by default, my name is here, Pam Oduor. This part is optional if you're doing business, if you have a business name. And then the taxpayer identification number. Okay, I don't know about that. So let's see what that is. Let's go to more about this. And I don't think like it applies to me, so I'll just go back and do my thing. So I'm just going to leave it at that. Oh, I didn't fill out my citizenship. So country of citizen, I am from Kenya. So I'm just going to put that. Then we can go to next. So number 1 is done. So I'm going to address. You have address 1, 2, and I think the town stroke city, just the way we used to do for the monetization bit. I don't know what to do here because it was a challenge even when I was doing postal address is same as permanent residence address. Yes, so that's what I'm going to check. Yeah, then I'll just go to next. Are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under a tax treaty? I just know that I am not claiming for a reduced rate because I don't think our country imetutetea hivyo. So number 4, the document preview. This is how your document will be generated. Review the PDF and confirm your information. So you'll just go through the form using this link here. And after you have read everything carefully, you say you confirm that and just go to next. So you'll just read through properly and sign here with your full legal name. So my full legal name is Pamela Oduor, so that is what I'm going to write down there. After you have signed, you're just going to confirm if you are the person or you're doing it on behalf of somebody else. Yes, and then we'll go to next. Activities performed in the US. Has the individual or entity identified in the tax identities section performed any activities and services for Google within the US? If you click on this information icon here, it will tell you that services and activities performed in the US by non-US payees may be subject to US withholding tax, and Google's may be required to withhold the US tax from your payments. If you select no, you certify that Google doesn't pay you or your organization for the service or activities performed in the US. If you select yes, you may be able to reduce the rate of the eliminate US withholding tax. Whatever. So yes, I will just say yes because Google does pay me for what I do. Yes, and then I'm just going to confirm here, are you providing tax information for a new or existing payment profile? So since I get paid, it is an existing profile. And then you're just going to read through this and certify that it is true that you have given the correct information. And then submit. I'm so nervous right now. So yeah, then it will come here and say that my status is approved. Yes, and that's it. So you can do yours now. These are the rates, by the way, the default rates for whatever information I put in.